today we will introduce for two types machine. And the big one is EC-27 and the small one EC-17. For this one, we can see size is different. This one is height, this one is small. For height, big one can be used finished bags, and there are wallet, leather card holders, and so on. If you are handmade leather craft, I recommend this, highly recommend. If you are initial leather hobbies, I recommend this one. Okay, next let we talk about all these holders. For this one and this one, our holder can be shined like this and this. And secondly, all this holder for this one is our logo holder that can be fit all this the logo. And small logo, big logos also can be used. And this one can be used all these the letters, and the 2 lines and 1 line letters can be used, and the more suitable for 4.5 millimeters letters is okay. Okay, next we will talk about this the Worktable big one and a small one. Big one will suit EC-27 machine. Work size is 16 to 20 centimeters. And all this the small one EC-17 machine worktable size 15 to 15 centimeters. Now to temperature control for big one and the small one, this is also different. But these two temperature control is our industry standards that for all this can be used for long time to work in embossing. And all this the embossing effect is finally beautiful. Now to all this the leather and all this the big one EC-27, we have this the leather to here, but EC-17 we don't have a leather. This leather need to customized. Hello, thank you for your watching all these videos for introduce our big machine and small machine different. And if you have more details, you can contact Lucy.